Hey guys, it's Jacqueline over here at homeschoolhangout.xyz, and today we're doing an unboxing. We are looking at the Once Upon a Book Club subscription box. If you like these kinds of instant thoughts, product reviews, things like that, do me a favor and let me know. I know I talk a lot about specific California stuff, but I really enjoyed this kind of thing too. Do me a favor, subscribe, comment, all the things, and let's get into it. So, this is Once Upon a Book Club. They have different types of subscriptions, and this is not necessarily just a kids thing. This is middle grades, and I believe that's like the 7-year-old to like 10, 12-year-old. They also have like a YA subscription and an adult woman subscription, so I'm very interested in that. It starts though at about $44, $45 a month, but then you can do larger subscriptions and the price goes down a little bit. So they sent this to me. This is not paid. These are all my thoughts. I, yeah, I'm going into this blind and very curious, but I love the idea. And we will talk about the fact that I love this box. It is so stinking cute. It's got a little thing here. Because the other nice thing, in addition to just having a box to keep everything in while you're doing it, is you could even put it on the shelf while you're using them and label them with the months and stuff. So this is what the box looks like. Look at the inside of that with all the letters. And we've got this section. And then we've got this. So let's get into it. I literally just cut this open. I haven't looked at anything. So let's start with the thing on top. I'm assuming that's where they want us to begin. And if I can get in here. There we go. Sorry, I'm a little slow. Literally, I mean, I just cut open the box. Okay. So it looks like, yes, I see the book in here. We are dealing with the 2023 selection of Sam Sabady wrote The Last Shadow Warrior from the School of Vikings. This is the May box. Okay. To fully experience your box, remember to only open your gifts once you reach the given pages. Once you finish reading, use your book passport to review and reflect on what you read. After you complete the year, you'll win a prize. Each book comes with a book-shaped sticker where you can add the book title and your rating. Collect up and display each month's sticker. In this month's box, you'll find gifts to open on page 52, 121, and 272. Hey parents, brag about your little bookworms, connect with other parents, share your kids' coloring pages, acts of kindness on our Parents Chat Facebook group. So, of course, you get a bookmark because it's a bookmark. Of course, of course, of course. I don't know how reflective that was because on my side I saw a lot of reflection. Sorry. This month's kindness challenge, slip a secret kind note into your friend's backpack. How cute. And on the back it says you can make a difference. Here's your little book sticker where you can do the rating. And nothing can dim the light that shines from within. And this is I don't know if you can hear that, cardstocky. So you can color that in. Okay. So first up, of course, you get the book. And it says, an ancient enemy, a deadly quest, and she thought 6th grade math was hard. So 12-year-old Abby Beckett is proud to come from a long line of elite Viking warriors known as the Aesir. It's her life's goal to hunt the monsters known as Grendels, just like her mother did before she died. There's one small problem. No Grendel's been seen in centuries. And it goes on. Cute, cute. I love me some red hair. Possibly just because, I used to dye my hair red. So it's a nice Norse mythology with modern day setting. Okay, so let's say I have been reading this. Page 52 is the first time you have an activity gift, whatever. So it's wrapped in plastic and it has the page number on it and it's a box. So let me open this. Hey. I did not realize these are going to be wrapped in plastic. So let's see how hard it's going to be for me to open these. Let me grab my envelope opener. Sorry, I got really close to you there. I know that's a little awkward for everybody. Okay. Pop that right in the garbage. So page 52. And then you have a gift in here. Oh, I know what these are. This would be a travel cup. And you've got 2 of them in here, and they have lids so you don't get your stuff dirty. Okay, I have to say, I love this. I remember when travel cups first started, and they didn't have flat background, bottoms, so you couldn't set them anywhere. So you basically, could only drink what was in there. So I love this. There's 2 of them, and one of them's on a strap even. So love it. I also have to say I love this for, you talk about backpacks, because you pop this in your backpack. You always can get something to drink. Awesome. Okay. So that's page 52. Page 121 is next. Big box, clearly wrapped in plastic, thus you can see every light in my office. I have to say this is like one of my favorite styles of envelope openers. I got it from a conference I helped run 25 years ago. It was the freebie that Your Office Genie medical transcription service gave, because it was a medical records conference. So very clearly says what page you should be on. And then, let's see, it looks like you've got like some sort of bingo game. Yes, restaurant bingo. So we've got some super dots in teal and in yellow. And then you have a whole pad of restaurant bingo sheets. So this is a cute activity for when you go out and do stuff. Oh, that's so fun. How cute. I'll be honest, I've not read the book. I'm assuming it plays into the book. So that's the whole idea, is you get book coordinated gifts. I think this so far is a super cute gift. I personally didn't when my kids were young. Now my kids are a little older. Feel like they always needed another like branded toy. Okay, this one says page 272. It has great wrapping paper on it. Oh, love it. But so I love experiences for them, subscriptions. My dad used to always give the kids a zoo membership when they were little. And frankly, it was something that, was a little bit harder on your budget. But he would give it to the entire family for Christmas. He would give all 4 kids, and then he'd send, because he lived in Texas when he died, he would send like a little something for each one, like a little toy or something. But the big gift was the zoo membership for all 4 kids. It was great. Okay, set of 2 inflatable battle axes. Okay, that is awesome. I will be honest, I'm going to put this back in here just because I'm going to have a kid read it. And they know the drill. That is so cute. Norse mythology. And I say this as we had the kids dress up as these kinds of things when they were little. That is the best. This is really, really cute. Is it worth $45? Here's where it's definitely worth $45. You get a book, which brand new books, this is a, $8 book plus tax. But it's all coordinated. It gives them something to look forward to all month. And especially if you have a reticent reader at all, and this is just a great gift. I love it as a gift. I am giving this a thumbs up. I will have a kid go through it this month and see what she thinks. She's pretty good at this, helping me decide on some of these things. I want to read this book already. This book looks adorable, and I love mythology, and Norse mythology is big in our house too, so I may read it before I let her have it. But yeah, love it, love it, love it. There will be an affiliate link down below where I get a little bit of a kickback in reality, just so I can order these and possibly order one of the adult ones for myself. And they, like I said, they do also have a YA and an adult version. I'm not sure about any of those and the type of books that are in that, but these are child appropriate. They're aged at, they say 7 to 12. But this seems like it would take a young kid a little longer, but this seems pretty good. Who doesn't love a good book? I don't know. Oh, cute! On the pages, they have sticky notes. When you get to the page, it says, open your gift. I love it. I love it. It is so adorable. Once again, I did not get paid for this. There is an affiliate link below, but, you don't want to use it, it doesn't affect you. It just helps me out. But if you don't want to use it, don't worry about it. And thank you to Once Upon a Book for sending it to me. And I will talk to you guys and gals later. Bye.